Introducing Comtrend's WiFi Extend 2.0 Mesh Enhanced solution. This solution consists of advanced gateways, easy-to-install network expansion, Powerline or WiFi Extenders, powerful software, and an intuitive mobile app. Together, it delivers seamless whole-home connectivity for streaming, working, and staying connected to what matters most. And with consistent and reliable connection, even the most challenging parts of your homes, your customers can enjoy worry-free connectivity. New technology adaptive roaming knows when and where to best connect your customers so that devices are continuously connected to the strongest Wi-Fi signal. That means no more clinging to weak Wi-Fi signals that can result in unhappy customers or unwanted support calls. The WiFi Extend app works alongside our WiFi Extend 2.0 solution. The WiFi Extend app is a customer self-help mobile app with abundant features. It allows consumers to quickly set up their Wi-Fi extender pairing with an easy-to-follow setup guide. With the Location Finder tool, they can place their Wi-Fi extender in the ideal location for optimal coverage. Plus, they can change wireless settings, including network name and passwords, and easily manage their mesh devices at home, and more. Our Mesh Enhanced solution is now available on select CPE, and our new consumer app is available on Apple and Android today. Upgrade to Comtrend's Mesh Enhanced solution today and experience whole-home connectivity like never before, with worry-free, consistent, and reliable speeds.